In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find my Robinhood account number. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can quickly locate your account number whenever you need it for transfers, statements, or tax records. First, open your web browser and go to Robinhood.com. Make sure you're on the official site by checking the URL in the address bar. Then, sign into your account using your usual credentials. Take your time here. Accuracy matters, and staying on the legitimate site helps keep your information secure. Once you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. Click that icon to open the account menu, then choose Settings. This is the main hub where Robinhood keeps most of your account details and preferences, and it's where you'll find options related to transfers and personal information. Inside Settings, navigate to either Transfers or Account Information. The exact label can vary slightly, but both areas are designed to show key account details. In that section, look for an item labeled Account Numbers or a button or link that says Show Numbers. Robinhood often masks sensitive details by default, so be ready to click Show Numbers to reveal them. Once you do, your Robinhood account number will appear on the screen. Read it carefully, and if you need to save it, store it securely and never share it publicly. Here's an important note. On the web, Robinhood does not always present a clear, standalone account number button in the main view. If you don't see account numbers or show numbers right away, don't worry. In some cases, the information is tucked into related areas. Check within your Statements section, browse your tax documents, or revisit the Transfer Settings page. Those are common places where the account number is displayed in context, such as on official documents or in transfer-related views. A quick scan of those sections usually surfaces what you need. To recap the flow, go to Robinhood.com, sign in, open your profile icon, choose Settings, then head to Transfers or Account Information. Look for account numbers or show numbers, and your account number will be visible there. If it's not immediately obvious, explore Statements, tax documents, or transfer settings within the same settings area. That's it. Follow these steps, keep your information private, and you'll have your Robinhood account number whenever you need it. Thanks for watching.